Hey YouTube, today we're working on an 85 big wheel. Greg's going to tighten the chain on it, show you the procedure to do with that. So he's just checking to see what size the axle is before he begins.
And it is an 18 millimeter. Alright, so the back of the axle, where you actually have to take off the nut, is a 19 and the other side's an 18. And right now I'm just gonna see if I can get the bike to turn the axle. Probably not. That's just what that's telling me. I'm gonna go get a pipe.
Look at it.
I'm gonna get a pipe. Let me see. Alright, so as you saw, my dad broke it free with his foot. And yeah.
Next thing you're going to do is what?
I'm gonna go and slide this wheel back.
No.
And then
All you're going to do is loosen this, and you're going to take these, you're going to loosen this bolt, and then you're going to take that and back it out and watch it here where the marks are. You're going to walk it back evenly on both sides. Both sides have the mark, so you would just count it from here. You can see there's a mark here, and you would just go. Right now this chain is way too loose, so it should really move maybe, you know, half an inch. So that's what he's got to do, and we have plenty of room, obviously we can see that. So that's what he's got to do. He's got to get some wrenches and back that
so
up.
I'm gonna take a 12 millimeter wrench and
You're gonna go up on that side, up. You're backing off. There you go.
that, so then this is able to be spun.
Okay, now you're gonna take the wrench in here, and you're just gonna back this up. That's gonna pull your, I don't think it's the same size, is it?
No, I have a double-sided wrench.
Okay. What size is that one? 10?
10.
And now you gotta pay attention to, no, you're gonna go up
Up.
now, because you're gonna try to back it out. Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
So what you're gonna do is you want to move them back evenly on both sides.
Okay.
Because what that's doing is it's doing this to the back wheel.
All right.
So just back that out. Where you are now? What number are you on now? On the
Basically
fourth mark from the front.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we're done, we'll show you where we are and go from there. Our adjuster was giving us a real hard time. So what I did is I basically just undid the bolt to the axle. I pulled out the adjuster and I pushed the axle back. And put a ratchet in. So that I could do the adjuster, because I was having such a hard time. And you could see how hard it is to move that. Shouldn't be that way. Put some PB blast on it, and it didn't loosen it up enough. So they're at 5 on both sides. So we're fine. We'll put that back. Go to the other side. Show them the chain real quick. So we're at 5 now, and the chain, you know, it's moving about a half an inch. We'll tighten it up, and then we'll check it, make sure once it's on the ground that with the suspension and his weight, it's not going too crazy. And then you just obviously push these back to your set screw, put that back, tighten it. Same thing on the other side. Push it back, tighten it, and then lock the axle down. Leave the bike back on the ground, and I mean the chain's moving about a half an inch, quarter inch, half an inch. That's plenty. That's with him there. It should be all right. Let me see, bounce on it. Yeah, it should be fine. Should be fine. It'll loosen up anyway. I mean, I could loosen it back a hair. It would be fine. I might do that. All right, I loosened this up a little bit, and now with him sitting on it, I get enough movement on both sides. That's plenty. It's at 4.5. I had it at 5. Now it's at 4.5. You know, with him off of the bike, you can see it moves a lot more. That's why you always test it with him. You know, the body weight of the rider on it.
Well, as usual, like and subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram. Thanks for watching.